Hey guys, we're at the Las Vegas Antique Gun Show. There's a couple things I want to show you. So I picked up some of these old price lists, 60s and 70s, and I thought these were interesting because I had thought that the 552 was only available as a carbine for 2 years, but looking through these, that's not the case. So we'll take a closer look at those when we get back. Just some old boxes of 22. But what I really wanted to show you is in this box here. And those of you that know will know. Drum roll. Yeah, the Remington 22 Rimfire rifles by John Gyde and Roy Marcot. And Roy Marcot handed me this book. This was the last one he had. It is signed. Brand new. So yeah, really, really happy to have this book. And of course their cards. But yeah, guys, been wanting this book for a while. So we'll be looking at that more on the channel. I'll catch you later. God bless.